Hi students, welcome to another session of Math4U. Today, let's see what is rationalization. This is from grade 9, chapter 1, number system. So let's see where can we apply this rationalization. So rationalization, what does it mean? First of all, rationalization is the process of converting the denominator of a given number to rational number. Okay. How? By multiplying its numerator and denominator by a suitable number. So this is called rationalization. Okay, so where can we use this? When we get a question like to simplify 3 by root 5. Okay, so here you can see the denominator is not a rational number. Here, for simplifying this, we have to convert the denominator to a rational number first. Here we can use the method of rationalization. So how can we do it? Let's see. So 3 by root 5, okay, we should multiply the numerator and the denominator by a suitable number. How can we change the denominator to a rational number? So here we have root 5. So if we multiply that with root 5, we can change this to a rational number, right? So if we multiply with the numerator with a number, you have to do the same with the denominator and also, right? Or if we multiply a denominator with a number, then you have to multiply the same number with the numerator. Otherwise, the value will be changing. You know that, right? Yeah. So here you can see that now the denominator is changed. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. You know, root a multiplied with root a, you will get root a the whole square. That will be changed to the number itself, right? Same here also. So the numerator is 3 root 5 and the denominator changed to 5, right? So let's see what is the rationalizing factor over here. Okay, so if the product of two irrational numbers is rational, then each one is called the rationalizing factor of the other. What does it mean? Let me tell you. If we have a plus a root b and a minus a root b, okay, these are the rationalizing factors of each other. How can we say that? Because if we multiply these two, a plus root b into a minus root b, okay, the answer will be a square minus b, right? A plus b into a minus b, you know that is a square minus b square. Since here it is root b, when we take the root b square, you will get it as b, right? So now this is changed to rational number, right? So this is here called the rationalizing factor RF. Okay, so this is how we can do the rationalization. So let us go ahead with another one example to simplify and change the denominator to rational factor. Okay, rational number. So rationalize the denominator of 1 by 3 plus root 2. So how can we change the denominator to a rational number? Let's see. So here we have the question 1 by 3 plus root 2, right? We have to change the denominator to a rational factor. So we are going to learn a new name, new term, that is conjugate. What is called conjugate? 3 plus root 2 is the number here. What is the conjugate of this one? So let me show you an example. If a plus b is the number we have, and what is the conjugate of this one? Yes, of course, a minus b. Just change the sign of the operation given. Or if it is a minus b, you can change it into as a conjugate, that is a plus b. Same we are going to do with this also, 3 plus root 2. So the conjugate will be 3 minus a root 2. So now we got the conjugate of the denominator, and next step is to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator with this conjugate what we got. That is 3 minus a root 2 with the numerator as well as the denominator, right? Now let's see whether it is changing to a rational number, the denominator. So here you got the numerator 3 minus root 2. What will be the denominator? That is a plus b into a minus b. You know what is a plus b into a minus b, right? So a plus b into a minus b will be equal to what? Is a square minus b square. Very good. So here a is 3, that is 3 square, minus b is root 2 the whole square, right? So how can we do this? Now 3 minus root 2 divided by 3 square is 9, root 2 the whole square. You know, root of a number, when it is squared, the root will go, the number remains, right? That is equal to 3 minus root 2 by 7. So now you got the denominator as a rational number, and this is how we can apply the rationalization in simplification. So let's see another one question. So the question is, if a and b are rational numbers, okay, and 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Okay, what we have to do here? Find the values of a and b. Okay, how can we do this type of questions? So we have the thing, what we have to do is, here we got the denominator as a irrational number with root 3. So I'm going to rewrite that 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. And we have to find here the value of a and b. That means the rational numbers, right? For that, first we have to change the denominator what we got into a rational number, right? So we are moving ahead with the same procedure. Take the conjugate of the denominator, multiply with the numerator as well as the denominator, right? So here the conjugate of 2 minus root 3 is what? Yes, very good. That is 2 plus root 3. So I'm going to multiply the denominator as well as the numerator with 2 plus root 3. That is the conjugate of 2 minus root 3. Right? So this is equal to, the numerator you can see as 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. Let me ask you, what is a plus b into a plus b? Yeah, of course, that is a plus b the whole square, right? Yeah. And what about a plus b into a minus b that we have discussed it just before? This is a square minus b square, correct? So let's see, the numerator will be 2 plus root 3 the whole square divided by the denominator is 2 square, that is 4, right? I'm writing here 2 square minus b is root 3. So root 3 square, right? So let's do the next step. That is 2 plus root 3 the whole square. What is 2 plus root 3 the whole square? That is of the form a plus b the whole square, right? So what is a plus b the whole square? That is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yeah. So now I'm going to change the numerator, that is a square. A square is 2 square plus 2 into a into b is here root 3 plus b square, that is root 3 square divided by the denominator. You can see for 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3, right? So now let's see the next step, that is 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4 again, 4 root 3 plus root 3 the whole square is 3 divided by 4 minus 3, that is 1. So what you will get as 7 plus 3 is, yes, sorry, 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 4 root 3 is the answer what we got. So now how can we find out from here a plus b? Okay, let's do that. Therefore 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3, that is equal to, we know it is equal to a plus b root 3 from the question. That means that is equal to, this shows that 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. So from this we can say that a is equal to 7, right? And b is equal to what? And b is equal to 4. I hope this is very clear for you, and let me give you a homework also to do it, and what will be the answer, please comment it. Okay, So take down the question. If A and B are rational numbers and 4 plus 3 root 5 by 4 minus 3 root 5 is equal to, you will get it as A plus B root 5. Root 5. Find the values of A and B. So you know how to do this, right? So you have to take this 4 plus 3 root 5 by 4 minus 3 root 5. Take the conjugate, multiply the numerator and denominator, then use the identities required and solve it. You will get an answer in this format and you can equate to it A and B. I hope you can do it and you will upload, you will comment it in the comment section. It's clear, right? Everything? Very good. Bye-bye.